Hello guys, now I'm in this Chinese temple. So this place seems that it's like 60 to 70 years old. So I'm gonna take you in. Okay. This is the name, Vihara Avalok Kitasvara. So we have met this bapak. Ya. Namanya siapa namanya?
Itu.
Itu.
Ya.
Ini jaganya sini ya?
Ya, jaga sini.
Oh, oke.
Ya. Ya.
Oke, welcome to my vlog.
Ya.
This is Guan Yin Temple. So actually, we have a friend from Thailand. His name is Tong. Hello, welcome to my vlog. Yeah.
Nice day.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
My friend is doing the prayer now. So as he's praying, I'll continue touring the temple, the Buddha temple. So today is the National Day of Indonesia. It's a public holiday today. And we have lots of lights, praying for safetyness, wealth. It's surrounded with lights, lamp, oil lamp. So this is the surrounding. We have beautiful lanterns, colorful lanterns. So this whole place is lighted up with lights. Bright lights, it indicates good feng shui. This place is all the positive energy. So I have other links as well. You can check out my link above here. So we're going to move on to our next place. So this is the upstairs of the temple. Okay, as now is the month of the ghost month, which is the 7th month of the lunar month. So this is one of the offering to the lost soul. They even have prayers as well. From my background, you can listen to the voices of the prayers. Now we are having lunch in Atek. This is one of the famous place, Atek. We're gonna take you right into this place. All the pork. This is the char siu. Okay. This is the owner. Hi. food is here. So we have this is the duck. Okay, this is the duck. This is the pork satay. And this is the pork, the siu yolk and char siu. And we have the Hainanese rice. And also we have the soup. Okay. The bak mi, pork with noodle. So we are having lunch now with all the pork dishes. And so is it good? Good, yeah. Nice, yeah. Okay. We are now in Pantai Indah Kapuk. We are heading to the beach. Today is a public holiday, National Independence Day for Indonesia. There's a lot of people here. And I can see a lot of people wearing red color. It's the color of the Indonesian flag, red and white. So this is the view of the beach. This is the seaside. Okay. So we are in Chinatown PIK. This is the Chinatown, the old Chinatown, the old Shanghai. This is Panjoran PIK. So PIK basically is Pantai Indah Kapuk. It's the northern part of Jakarta. And it's not far from the airport. It's about 1 hour drive from the airport. And this is a new place. And there's a lot of new housing area coming up. And this area is a fast developing area with a lot of well, we have iguanas, we have tortoise. Interesting. And we have tortoises. So we're gonna head for that pagoda. Nice dog. Halo. Namanya siapa ini? Kiki ya. Halo Kiki. Nice dog. Hello. So that's the Guan Yin Yang pagoda. Basically, there's a lot of hidden gem in Jakarta. It's just need to search for it. And we have many food here. Basically, there's a lot of Asian food, more the Chinese food over here. They had the souvenir shop. They have things to drink. Okay, we're gonna try this. Teh kojot cincau.
Yang bagaimana kaki Om?
Besar aja.
Besar?
Iya, besar. 2. So this is the cincau, teh kojot cincau.
Taruh kalau gitu.
kojot cincau. Very refreshing. the aromatic joystick. This is for the meditation, and it gives a very aromatic smell in the environment. So our friend is buying this to take home. And we are in Aroma. So
This is the best one.
that's for the meditation. This is for the meditation. Seems that our friend is buying a lot.
But this is good, better, smell better.
So there's a lot of smell, tulasi, flora, Sinda, Chandra, sandalwood, and we have the lavender, we have the red rose, we have the dashan, and this is the perfume backflow incense cone for meditation. Okay, hi guys, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye. Bye. Thank you. See you. Ketemu lagi. Bye.